Hey, it's Brenda and Tom with KY Traveler Cruising. We're standing on the deck of the Queen Mary, watching the panorama patiently. All that are here, we've received messages and texts and so forth from Carnival Cruise Line. There's an issue going on, and we're all hearing several different things. But we've got somebody here that's going to be joining us on the cruise. So I'm going to hand this over to Tom. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Tara. I'm from Cincinnati, Ohio. Flew in yesterday, and now we're patiently staring at our cruise ship waiting for the other people to get off so we can get on.
Yeah.
Looks like we might have a little movement coming, so hopefully that's a good sign.
So you got the same text as we did, or
yeah,
the email as us?
Yeah, we got the email and text, and then just kind of been watching Facebook groups, and there is a guy on board, I guess he's doing back-to-back, and he's in our Facebook group.
Okay.
And he's the one saying they're still waiting on test results, and somebody just messaged and they said they're getting ready to start debark. So
all right, great.
Fingers crossed.
We appreciate your information.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much, Tara.
Thank you.
And we'll see you on KY Travelers Cruise.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna zoom around here past Doug and Jen. Kind of zoom in on the end of the gangway. There's a little bit of crew activity down there. I don't know how well the sun's blocking anything, but that's more than what we saw when we first got here. But all the provisions are still lined up on the dock, waiting to be taken across and put on the ship, but we'll just see how everything goes.